Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to recharge your Nissan Altima's AC system. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear appropriate eye protection and gloves to shield yourself from refrigerants and potential hazards. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. This ensures a safe working environment as you prepare to locate the low-pressure service port, which is crucial for the recharge process. Now, let's gather the necessary tools for this task. You'll need a can of R134, a refrigerant, which is the standard for most modern vehicles. An AC recharge hose equipped with a pressure gauge is absolutely essential. It helps you monitor the system's pressure accurately. For added benefit, you might consider a refrigerant can that includes a leak sealer, which can address very small, minor leaks in your system, potentially saving you a trip to the mechanic. With your tools ready, it's time to connect and begin the recharge. First, firmly attach the quick connect fitting of your AC recharge hose to the low-pressure service port. Once connected, start your Nissan Altima's engine and set the air conditioning to its highest fan speed and coldest temperature. Now, slowly squeeze the trigger on the refrigerant can, adding the refrigerant in short bursts. Continuously monitor the pressure gauge to ensure you do not overfill the system, aiming for the recommended pressure range. Once the pressure gauge indicates that your system is within the recommended green zone, stop adding refrigerant immediately. Carefully and quickly disconnect the recharge hose from the low-pressure service port to prevent any unnecessary refrigerant loss. Finally, close your hood and test your Nissan Altima's air conditioning. You should now feel noticeably cooler air blowing from the vents, indicating a successful recharge. Enjoy your refreshed and cool ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.